it again. Saturday, currently off day, no work today, but I got these things in my hand because your boy got to make a quick pit stop to the truck. I have a little small oil leak that I'm gonna take care of. I kind of already spoke with road repair. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I kind of already spoke with road repair about it last night, and I was telling them I think it might be like a little, it might be like a loose clamp or whatnot. So I sent them pictures and everything like that. So they told me, try to tighten the clamp and see if that stops the leak. So that's what I'm about to do real quick. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the truck. All right. We here. Just getting to the DC. Yeah, about to see if I can tighten this clamp, man. Cause shoot, can't afford for my truck to be down, man. For real. We're here. The leak is right in there. Right there. That's where the moist spot is. And you guys see the clamp? It's right there. So they're telling me that I need to tighten this clamp right here because they're saying it's not really a crazy big leak. So the clamp could be the issue, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, your boy's gonna tighten that up. I'm going to then wipe. I'm going to wipe the area and make it dry, and then I'm gonna start the truck and see if anything else comes out of that area. We'll see what happens. But yeah. Now that I tightened that clamp as much as I could, I'm gonna get inside of there and dry up all that oil, and then I'm gonna run the truck for a little bit to see if anything else comes out. But yeah, let's see what happens, man. Alright, so the area is now dry. Come on, the area is now dry. You guys can see no oil, no nothing. So now I'm gonna run the truck for a little bit, and I'm gonna see if that tightening the clamp was the issue. So I'll be right back. Yeah, truck is running, but I don't see nothing coming out. So yeah, this ain't our official. Yeah, the official test can't come till next week, man, because I don't work Monday. I'm on standby. It's a Tuesday. Now, I run full days of work, and then I come back Wednesday afternoon, check to see if it's leaking again. But right now, it looks good. You know what I'm saying? So just have to hope and pray still. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's a quick little vlog. About to close back this hood. Yeah, hood is closed. But yeah, just wanted to do a little quick vlog, show you guys what I'm dealing with today. Right now, about to just probably head back to the crib and just chill out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's that. Damien's out.